L and T-shaped grab bars are essential in toilets and showers for people with reduced mobility. When we developed the B-line grab bar, we wanted to make it suitable for all types of configurations. So the vertical riser can slide, which allows the installer to fix it to the left or right depending on the location of the water controls, but also the length of the toilet pan, or in this case the shower seat, providing the ideal position for the user to stand up. Because the ideal position depends on the distance between the riser and the end of the toilet pan or shower seat. As experts in accessibility, we are always thinking about the ergonomics. And we studied the bar diameter, so it's really the ideal size, neither too large or too small, so that when you tighten your hand around the bar, it doesn't tax the muscles any more than necessary. There's also a flat front face so that you can position your thumb to prevent your hand from slipping around the bar. The narrow gap between the wall and the bar blocks your fist. So, if the person falls, their arm cannot get trapped or risk breaking. This narrow space also has another advantage, in that it makes B-line grab bars really discreet, in the spirit of design for all. It removes the medical aspect. When you walk into this room, which can be shared with any type of user, you don't say to yourself, "I'm in a medical space." Since we're also experts in public places, all our B-line grab bars are tested to a maximum weight of 135 kilos to adapt to as many people as possible.